we will talk about my body. Good. Okay, so what is this? Stop. The head. Use your finger. The head. Các con làm thêm nào. The head. Good. What is this? What is this? This part. The arm. Where's the arm? Where is the arm? Show me. Arm. Good. How about hands? What is this? Hands. Good. Where is the leg? The leg. Leg. Where? Good. Where is the foot? Good. What is this? My body. Very good. Now we say thank you. Stand still. Say goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you for goodbye.